Living in Coppell offers the perfect balance of community charm and convenient access to major highways, schools, and business areas. However, with that convenience can come unwanted outside noise, from traffic and lawn equipment to neighborhood activity. If outside sounds are disrupting your comfort, upgrading your windows may be the solution. Casement windows are not only known for energy efficiency and ventilation, but they're also highly effective at reducing outside noise. Here's how they can help create a quieter, more peaceful home environment in Coppell. A tighter seal means less noise. One of the biggest advantages of casement windows is their design. Hinged on one side and operated with a crank, casement windows close by pressing firmly against the frame. When locked, the sash compresses tightly into the weather stripping. This compression seal is much tighter than what you typically get with sliding or double-hung windows. Fewer gaps mean fewer pathways for outside air and sound to enter your home. In a city like Coppell, where road noise or neighborhood sounds can travel easily, that tighter seal can make a noticeable difference. Multi-pane glass for sound insulation. Modern casement windows often feature double or triple pane glass. These multiple layers of glass are separated by insulating air or gas-filled spaces, which help absorb and reduce sound vibrations. The thicker the glass and the more layers involved, the better the sound dampening effect. For homeowners near busier roads or high traffic areas in Coppell, upgrading to multi-pane casement windows can significantly reduce noise intrusion. Some homeowners even choose laminated glass options for enhanced sound control. Insulated frames block vibrations. Casement windows are commonly built with vinyl or fiberglass frames, both of which provide solid insulation. These materials not only help regulate temperature but also reduce the transmission of sound vibrations. Unlike older aluminum frames, which can transfer sound more easily, insulated frames help block exterior noise before it reaches your interior living spaces. This combination of tight seals and insulating materials makes casement windows a strong choice for sound reduction. Reduced air leaks equal reduced noise. Sound often enters through the same gaps that allow drafts. If you can feel air leaking around your windows, you're likely hearing more outside noise as well. Casement windows, when professionally installed, create a near airtight seal. By eliminating drafts, you also reduce the amount of sound entering your home. This dual benefit improves both comfort and energy efficiency, especially important during Coppell's warm summers and cooler months. Ideal for bedrooms and living areas. If outside noise disrupts sleep or makes it harder to relax, casement windows can be particularly beneficial in bedrooms and main living spaces. Installing casement windows in these high-use areas can create a noticeably quieter atmosphere, making it easier to unwind after a long day. For families working from home, improved sound insulation can also help create a more focused and productive indoor environment. Professional installation is key. Even the best window won't perform well without proper installation. Gaps between the frame and the wall can undermine sound control benefits. Professional installation ensures the window is correctly aligned, sealed, and insulated. This maximizes both noise reduction and energy efficiency. A quieter, more comfortable Coppell home. Outside noise doesn't have to be part of daily life. Casement windows offer a smart solution for homeowners in Coppell seeking greater peace and quiet. With their tight seal, multi-pane glass, insulated frames, and professional installation, casement windows help create a calmer indoor space, allowing you to enjoy your home without unwanted distractions from the outside world.